Here in the video, we are going to talk about the Mart error shipping address is required. The error reads shipping address is required. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to check out, even though their shipping address is already saved in their account. According to the user's reports, this error may occur because of a glitch in the checkout process or due to high traffic on the server, which can create a temporary issue during the address confirmation or checkout. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your browser and try to add your address again. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then when you reach the checkout page and see the option that says billing same as shipping, make sure to click that too and select billing. Then check for the error again. If the error still continues, then try clicking on your address. Once it opens up the page, click on your address again and see if the error still comes. If the error still doesn't resolve, then it might be because many people are checking out at the same time, causing checkout errors. In this case, just back out and keep trying again. At last, if nothing helps, then it could be a server-side issue due to high traffic or some temporary glitch. In this case, wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.